Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
From the bustling streets of Delhi to the peaceful hills of Shimla. Hi everyone and welcome to this special episode. I'm your host Arzu Tehlan from Queens Valley School along with my friends
Sanvi, Neha,
and Harshita.
And today we are taking you along on a fun-filled 4-day journey from Delhi to the hills of Shimla. A trip that gave us laughter, chaos, calm and countless memories. From early bus rides and endless playlists to the chilly winds, street foods and scenic views. हर दिन कुछ नया और यादगार था. So stay with me as we relive this unforgettable student adventure, one story at a time.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
So Sanvi, अपने एक्सपीरियंस बताइए.
First we went to the Rashtrapati Niwas, which is the summer residence of the president. And honestly, it felt like a place straight out of a Netflix show. The colonial architecture, its garden and the vibes, that place had me hooked. And then we went to Hip Hip Hooray. It is a place you cannot leave without a bag full of laughter, memories and tons of fun. All the rides from Frisbee to Dogspin succeeded in giving everyone a much needed adrenaline rush. That place actually justified its name, Hip Hip Hooray.
That was really amazing, Sanvi. Now we have Neha with us.
I would love to share my experience about the unforgettable zoo experience. As an animal lover, I would say the Himalayan Nature Park is one of those places one absolutely needs to experience. It's like a quiet sanctuary of wildlife, almost a divine space where animals and nature breathe together in peace. It's not a large one, but the divine peace energy of the nature walk around the animals is truly less than a therapy. The open nature wildlife area, somewhere you can actually feel peace breathing in. The animals, they're leopards, Himalayan black bears, silver pheasants. Oh, those cute Himalayan black bear cubs truly stole the highlight of their playful mischief, and the bold leader model-like figure of the leopards, truly majestic.
That was really beautiful. Now we have Harshita with us.
Next, we visited the Mall Road, the place where time would slow down in the moment, yet pass so fleetingly that it would make one feel it is a magical dream. Entering the Mall Road, we were welcomed by a haze-covered sky and charming people. Everyone made unforgettable memories, and I'm sure it will be treasured for the rest of their life. One specific memory was visiting an antique bookstore where the first edition books and paintings were absolutely fascinating.
और बस यूं ही 4 दिन कब गुजर गए पता ही नहीं चला. दिल्ली से शिमला तक का ये सफर एक ट्रिप नहीं था, ये हमारी जिंदगी का सबसे खूबसूरत यादों में से एक बन गया. वी लाव, वी एक्सप्लोर्ड, वी बॉन्डेड एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली वी लिव्ड एवरी मोमेंट. इन पलों ने हमें दोस्ती, आजादी और प्रकृति की खूबसूरती का असली मतलब सिखाया. वी रिटर्न टू दिल्ली, आवर हार्ट्स वर फुल एंड माइंड रीप्लेड एवरी सीन लाइक अ फिल्म. यही तो असली जर्नी होती है जो खत्म होकर भी साथ रहे. थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस एंड थैंक यू टीचर्स, our mentors and EdTerra team. मिलते हैं एक और कहानी और एक और सफर के साथ. Thank you.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.